Are you throwing away empty jars without knowing they can transform into stylish plant holders? Stay with me because today, I'll show you how to turn simple jars into beautiful home decor that costs almost nothing. Welcome back. In this video, we're making creative plant holders from everyday jars. Whether you want to decorate your balcony, living room, or office desk, this idea will help you add greenery without spending much. Simple definition: DIY plant holders from jars are handmade containers crafted from recycled jars, designed to hold plants in an attractive and sustainable way. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Clean your jar thoroughly and remove any labels. Step 2. Choose whether you want a hanging or tabletop holder. Step 3. For hanging, wrap strong twine or macrame cord tightly around the jar's neck and create a loop for hanging. Step 4. For tabletop, you can paint the jar, wrap it with rope, or keep it transparent for a modern look. Step 5. Add a layer of small stones at the bottom for drainage. Step 6. Fill the jar with parting soil and place your plant carefully inside. Step 7. Finish with decorative touches like ribbon, lace, or paint for a personalized style. Tools explained. You'll need jars of any size, strong twine or rope, paint or decorative fabric if you like, scissors, parting soil, small stones, and your choice of plants such as succulents, herbs, or small flowers. Quick tips: use clear jars for herbs so you can monitor soil moisture. If using larger plants, ensure the jar is wide enough for the roots. Opt for lightweight plants if you're making hanging holders. Cost comparison: buying a ready-made plant holder can cost between $10 to $25 each. Making your own from recycled jars can cost as little as $2 to $5, mainly for soil, twine, and decorations. Workflow: collect jars, clean them, decorate, add stones, soil, plant, and finish with your chosen styling. That's it. You have a low-cost and attractive plant holder. Professional notes: for durability, seal painted jars with a waterproof spray. If you're placing jars outdoors, make sure the twine is weather-resistant. Always check that your plants have enough light and drainage for healthy growth. We've taken simple jars and turned them into charming plant holders using just a few affordable materials. It's sustainable, cost-friendly, and adds a refreshing touch to any space. If you found this helpful, try making your own DIY jar plant holders today and share your results. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more creative ideas, and comment below with your favorite jar decoration style.